My name is Tom, and my life is very blue and very simple. Every morning, I open my big white closet and look inside. I see 10 blue t shirts on the left and 10 blue jeans on the right. I choose one blue t shirt and one pair of jeans and put them on. It is my daily uniform because I don't like to think about fashion. Logic tells me that this routine is fast and very comfortable for work. I am satisfied with the quality of my soft cotton shirts, but I feel bored. I look at my reflection in the mirror and see the same boy every year. My blue eyes are bright, but my style is very quiet and old. I want to change something, but I don't know how to start this path. I feel like a character in a movie who never changes his costume. A proactive friend gives me a card for a professional stylist named Maya. Her office is in the creative district, full of colors and art. I take my bag and walk out of my blue apartment into the city. The sun is shining, and the street is full of people in beautiful clothes. I feel a bit shy in my simple blue t-shirt among the stylish crowd. I reach a large glass building with many flowers near the entrance. I take a deep breath and enter the elevator to the fifth floor. My goal is to find a new look that makes me feel successful. I find room number 500, and the door is bright orange. I knock on the door, and I hear a very cheerful voice inside. Come in, Tom. I am waiting for you, says the voice. I enter a room that looks like a rainbow of fabrics and sketches. A woman with dark curly hair and a yellow cardigan stands there. She has a big smile and very energetic, warm brown eyes. Everything in her studio is organized, clean, and very masterful. I am satisfied with the friendly atmosphere she creates immediately. I tell her that I am tired of my blue world and my blue clothes. Maya laughs and says that blue is great, but life has more colors. We are moving to the table to explore the world of palettes. Maya sits at a large wooden table and opens a book of colors. I sit across from her and look at the many pieces of silk and wool. Let's find the colors that match your eyes and skin, she says. She takes a piece of deep green fabric and puts it near my face. Logic says that green is very different from my usual blue style. I look in the mirror and see that my eyes look more intense. Maya explains that every person has a personal map of perfect tones. I am satisfied with the quality of her masterful explanation today. She shows me warm browns, soft grays, and even a dark red color. I feel a lot of creative inspiration as I touch the different materials. Style is a language, Tom, and you have been silent for long, she tells me. I am a proactive student, so I ask many questions about the fabrics. We talk about cotton, linen, and soft wool for the winter months. Every detail of the color map is interesting and very useful for me. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we share. Maya says that my blue t-shirts are good, but they need a rest. I believe that she is right because I feel ready for a big change. She writes a list of 3 new colors for my future wardrobe. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative ideas. I see that fashion is not only about prices, it is about feelings. I feel very successful because I'm finally acting on my goal. Maya looks at my old blue t-shirt and nods with a kind expression. She promises to show me how to mix old and new things together. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of our professional talk. The afternoon sun makes the studio look golden and very magical. Every second of this meeting is a high-quality lesson for my mind. The world of clothes is becoming a very interesting place for me. I am a happy man with a very clear and logical plan for my look. Maya takes a measuring tape to check my size and proportions. We are moving to the fitting room to try the first shirt. Maya gives me a dark green shirt made of very soft, high quality linen. I go behind the curtain and take off my old blue t-shirt. I put on the green shirt and feel the different texture on my skin. It feels light, fresh, and very professional for a young man like me. I step out of the fitting room and stand in front of Maya. She claps her hands and says, "Tom, you look absolutely masterful." I look in the mirror and I don't recognize the man I see there. Logic tells me that a simple shirt can change my whole posture. I stand taller, and my smile is more confident and very bright. I am satisfied with the quality of the fit and the deep color. My blue eyes are sparkling against the dark green background of the fabric. Maya suggests adding a pair of dark gray trousers to the outfit. Every detail of the look is organized, logical, and very attractive. I feel a lot of positive energy and a new sense of success today. We talk about how to wear the sleeves and how to use the buttons. I am satisfied with the stable and professional advice she gives me. I believe that this shirt is the first step to my new personality. The atmosphere in the studio is full of joy and creative success. Every second I spend in this shirt makes me feel more comfortable. I am satisfied with the proactive way I am changing my daily life. Maya says that the green color makes me look more energetic and active. I agree because I feel more ready for my lessons and my work. We decide to buy this shirt and look for a nice brown jacket too. I'm a proactively acting man, and I like this new creative flow. The mirror shows a man who is ready for a big, beautiful life. I am satisfied with the quality of the service and the masterful style. Maya puts the old blue t-shirt in a bag and smiles at me. I feel very successful and happy with my choice of color today. We are moving to the rack of jackets to complete the set. We are moving to find the final piece of my new wardrobe. Maya leads me to a corner with many jackets made of different textiles. She picks a brown tweed jacket that feels very heavy and high quality. I touch the material and feel the many threads of the masterful weave. Logic says that a good jacket is a stable investment for many years. I put on over my green shirt and look at the result in the mirror. The combination of green and brown looks like a forest in autumn. This is very masculine and very stylish, Tom, Maya says warmly. I'm satisfied with the quality of the warmth the jacket gives me. Everything looks organized, masterful, and very expensive, but it is not. Maya explains how to check the quality of the seams and the buttons. I am a proactive teacher, and I love learning these technical details. I believe that high-quality clothes help people respect us more at work. Every detail of the jacket's pocket is ultra-realistic and very neat. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from the textures I am wearing. My blue eyes look very bright under the soft light of the studio. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere of our session. We talk about the history of tweed and how it protects from rain. Every second of this lesson is useful and very interesting for me. The world of fashion is not scary anymore. It is very logical. I am satisfied with the proactive way I am building my new closet. Maya says that textures are like emotions. They add depth to life. I agree because I feel more complex and more interesting today. I'm a happy man with a very clear and stable sense of style. We decide that the brown jacket is a perfect final touch for today. I'm satisfied with the quality of the communication and the style. Maya writes some more tips on a small card for my future shopping. I feel very successful and happy with my transformation in the studio. The sun is setting, and the room is full of soft evening light. I'm a proactively thinking man, and I am ready for the walk. We're moving to the mirror to see the full transformation. I stand in front of the large mirror and see the full outfit. I wear the dark green shirt, the gray trousers, and the brown jacket. I don't see the blue Tom anymore. I see a professional man. I am satisfied with the quality of the transition from my old style. Maya stands next to me, her mustard cardigan bright against the wood. You look like a successful and creative person. Tom, she says, logic tells me that my feelings are directly connected to my clothes. I feel more proactive, more active, and more ready for my students. Every detail of my new reflection is ultra realistic and very masterful. I'm satisfied with the stable and high quality result of our work. I believe that we should change our look when we change our goals. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very quiet, warm joy. I am Emily's friend, but today I'm Tom, the stylish English teacher. My blue eyes are calm, and my smile is very confident and wide. We talk about the reactions of my students when they see me. Every second of this day was a high-quality adventure for my story. I am satisfied with the proactive and friendly connection with Maya. She gives me a small mirror to look at my back and my shoulders. Everything looks organized, clean, and very masterful in my new look. I feel a lot of positive and creative inspiration for my next lessons. I'm a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal bond. Maya says that I can still wear my blue t-shirts on the weekends. I laugh and say that I will keep them for the gym or for home. I'm satisfied with the quality of the life I am starting today. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to be. I am a proactively acting man, and I value these masterful moments. I'm almost ready to leave the studio and walk into the city. Every detail of my clothes makes me feel safe and very stable. I am satisfied with the masterful and beautiful transformation I found. We're moving to the door to say a final goodbye. I'll walk out of the building and the city lights are starting to shine. I feel the weight of my new jacket and the softness of my shirt. Every step I take feels more stable and more successful than before. I'm satisfied with the quality of the evening air and the atmosphere. I see my reflection in a shop window and I smile at myself. Logic says that my old blue world was good, but this is better. I am a proactive teacher, and I am excited for my class tomorrow. Every detail of the city at night is ultra-realistic and very bright. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration in my heart. I walk towards the bus station, and people look at me with respect. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond one have with Maya. I believe that every small change can lead to a very big success. The atmosphere is full of life and very happy sound of the street. My new green shirt is a symbol of my growth and my new goals. Every second of this walk is a high-quality memory for my mind. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful afternoon minutes. I reach my apartment and open the closet with a very new feeling. I put my new clothes on a hanger next to my old blue t-shirts. My closet is not only blue anymore, It is full of life and color. I am satisfied with the quality of the change I made for myself. Tomorrow I will teach my students with a new and energetic vibe. I am Tom, and I am proud of my simple and powerful style story. The sun is gone, and the moon is bright and clear in the sky. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection I found today. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. Good night, city, and thank you for the colors and the new style. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond one have. I am ready for the new dreams and the new colorful mornings.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.